Have you ever walked into a familiar room where you no longer notice the furnishings or the ticking clock or maybe even a familiar smell? Think of Grandma's house. Well, that familiar room is called your office, and there's a group of highly trained observers who assess that every day. Those are our patients. There's a tool that we can use to make sure that we pass that test, and it's called a clipboard and a 5 senses survey. You sit down in each room of your office and take a look around. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? And what things can you improve upon? Is your carpet clean? Are your pictures dusty or dated? Is the hydrocollator a little bit crusty? Are the chairs comfortable for somebody with lower back pain? Are there any visible files or other PHI out? The difference between the best professional spa and a cheap massage parlor in a strip mall is the details. The way that we can make sure that we pass the test is the 5 senses survey. Imagine that in 3 months, there's going to be a national news organization coming into your office to do a story on the benefits of chiropractic, and your office is the model. What would you need to do? Get out your checklist, make a list, assign those tasks, and make it happen. Good luck. If you'd like to review details or learn other strategies to improve patient satisfaction, check out the Boost tab on your dashboard NPS score.